I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing an intermediate/advanced technique exercise. It's definitely intermediate in nature for the first half, and then depending on how fast you do it, it might turn into an advanced exercise, varying speed and only on the second half. You'll understand what I mean when we get there, but I would label this as intermediate/advanced. Even beginners can do the first half. So it's a great exercise for rhythm, for dexterity. It's fantastic for any level in the first half, but when that second half comes in, it can get a little tricky. So that's why I've rated this IA, intermediate advanced. I was like trying to rated E for everyone, but like IA, you know? Okay, anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, do the thing. All right, so we have shuffle heel, step, heel as the first step. So it's a shuffle heel, keeping your weight on the standing leg, and then step heel, transfer your weight to that foot. So shuffle heel, step, heel, and then you do it again starting with the left foot. Shuffle heel, step, heel. Shuffle heel, step, heel, shuffle heel, step, heel. And it goes, the rhythm goes, and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. So that heel is your downbeat. So you've got 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle heel, step, heel, shuffle heel, step. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Good. From there, you have 2 shuffle steps. So 2 rolling shuffles. Shuffle, step, and a 5 and a 6. Shuffle, cramp roll, and a 7 and a stamp on 8. So this last part is and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. So make sure that that cramp roll is 7 and up. Step, step, heel, heel. Very separate, very even. So we've got shuffle, heel, step, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Good. One more time. 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Cool. Then you do the exact same thing on the left foot. So we have shuffle, heel, step, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. So make sure that that cramp roll is a left, right, left, right. I've noticed we love the right side so much that we tend to just accidentally switch the left side to the right on cramp rolls and pullbacks, specifically those 2 steps. So make sure it's left, right, step. Otherwise you're not going to be able to stamp with that left foot. So left side, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Good. Let's try right to left. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and a 8. Good. Okay, so that's the first half. It's a fantastic center exercise. If that's all you want to do, fine. That's perfect exercise right there to work on balance, dexterity, and just the steps. I love being able to work on the accent of that heel being the downbeat. I love that because you really need to have your weight in the correct place for that. Second half, you can either repeat exactly as you just did and do shuffles again, or if you want to challenge yourself, you make the shuffles into riffles or open thirds. So it's brush, scuff, brush. So only if you want to. It's a real dexterity challenge, and I love it. So let's try it. Same combination. It's just instead of shuffle heel, it's riffle heel. So it adds that little da-da-da-da-da-da. So it's like 8 and a 1. It's a little triplet right in that 8th note. 8-note triplets. Oh, I love it. So let's try it. Riffle, heel, step, heel. Riffle, heel, step, heel. Riffle, step, riffle, step, step, heel, heel, step. So everything's the same. You're just replacing the shuffles with the riffles. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2. And a 5, and a 6, and a 7, and a 8. Good. Try it on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's try right and then left, and then we'll try the whole thing without music, and then we'll do it with some tunes. Ready? So, right and then left riffles. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I stopped counting because I really wanted you to hear the rhythm of the riffle, and I felt like me counting over it just kind of made that impossible to hear. So let's try the whole thing. I'll give you counts until the riffle section, and then the counts remain the same, but I'm not going to say it over the steps so you can really hear the rhythm. Ready? Entire thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and an 8 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and a 6 and a 7 and an 8. Yeah? All right. Now, my computer decided now's the time to go to sleep. No, it's not. Wake up. You have a job to do. All right, let's do it with music from the top. I don't remember how fast this is going to be, but let's find out. It's not bad. It's not bad. Let's do it. Let's do that one more time, just for funsies, and just to give us another chance to get it right, or give us another chance to have fun with it. All right, one more time, and then we got this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So much fun learning this technique exercise with me today. This is definitely another one of my favorites that I've made. I guess I was on fire this morning. But yeah, I had so much fun teaching it to you. Thank you so much for learning it with me. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this of all levels, not just intermediate, advanced. I've got beginner intermediate, I've got straight up intermediate, I've got advanced. Everything you want right here. Technique exercises, step tutorials if you need to learn just a step and you want to focus on learning that step. Like I've got a whole tutorial on pullbacks. I think I've got 2 or 3 tutorials on pullbacks, and then a few tutorials on wings as well. So those are to help you master like one step. And then I have choreography tutorials where we learn a fun combination to a classic or like a popular song and stuff. It's a lot of fun. So definitely subscribe to this channel. This is your free tap class channel. Like you can access these courses for free anytime you want. I live in your phone. And one of the ways that I am able to keep this free is having as many subscribers as I have, and the more subscribers I have, the more I can offer and the longer I can do this channel. So please subscribe to this channel, get your friends, your students, your family, whatever. I promise it's kid friendly, and get them to subscribe so that I can hit that next milestone and be able to do this channel as long as I can, as long as forever. And also, while you're at it, smash that thumbs up button because it tells YouTube that people love tap dance. We definitely want to tell YouTube that because it helps my channel and other tap dance channels when you thumbs up on tap videos. So, thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for dancing with me.